So on a double trailer, I have learned that cleaning the inside where the sea-doos meet is more challenging. Any easy, good to know methods of removing a single sea-doo off the trailer temporarily with a lift or way to slide one off so I can clean them really well? I got a little daring when I was doing it, and what I would do is that I would drag the ski halfway off the trailer, but I still had the front winch hooked up and it had tension on it. So you could literally bounce the ski off the end of the bunks. Not a lot, I was halfway, but I could at least reach the majority of the side of the ski. And then you just reverse it, and that way you can get the front and the back on both skis. But I mean, besides taking them off onto a cart, and of course, that's the best. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.